All right, number 9 says, solve the linear system by substitution. Now, guys, you'll remember this year we learned that both of these equations are lines. This equation's a line, and this equation is a line. Now, there are 3 things that can happen with lines. They can do this, where they cross and they have one solution. Or they may be parallel, and they have no common solutions, because they're never going to intersect. Or they could actually be the same line. I'm sorry, I couldn't draw that one on top of the other. They could coincide, and that means they have exactly the same solutions, infinite solutions. These are the 3 possibilities, okay? Now, for us to find out how many solutions there are and what the solution is, we take each equation and we put it in function form. So this one, I'm going to say y plus 4x is equal to 1. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides, and I'm going to get y is equal to negative 4x plus 1. Okay? For the other equation, I'm going to put it in function form. I'm going to add 5 to both sides, and I'm going to get y is equal to negative 4x plus 5. Okay? Now, that means that y equals this. So I'm going to put it into the other equation. And I'm going to say negative 4x plus 5 is equal to negative 4x plus 1. Now I only have one variable, and I can solve for it. What would be the first thing that you'd want to do to solve for x, Kentaro?
Get the variables on the same side.
On the same side. So I'm just going to add 4x to both sides. But something strange happens. These 2 cancel, and I get 5 is equal to, but these 2 cancel also. 5 is equal to 1. When is that true, Dane? When does 5 equal 1?
5 equals 1 when...
Now think about it. Wait a minute. When does $5 equal $1? Never. So what's the answer to this? What's the answer, Miles?
They're parallel.
They're parallel. They have no solutions. Okay? Look at these 2 lines. This has a slope of negative 4 over 1, and this one has a slope of negative 4 over 1. If 2 lines have the same slope, Julian, what would we say about them? No. What would I say about 2 lines if they have the same slope, Henry?
But they're parallel.
They're parallel. They're never going to intersect. Okay? They have no solutions. So we might have seen it just by looking at that. But if we didn't, when we substitute it in and solve for it, we're going to get something that's not true. Okay? And no solutions. All right, good job, guys. See you at the next example.